In this video, you'll learn how to create ThingLink tags using AI. You can generate tags from a text prompt alone or upload a PDF if you already have lesson materials, product documentation, or other existing content you'd like to use. Start by uploading or opening an untagged 2D image, 360-degree image, or video. When the ThingLink AI prompt appears, click Continue. Enter the topic or information you want the tags to cover. You can use a short prompt, or provide detailed instructions about the facts and content you want to include. You can also upload a PDF together with your prompt. ThingLink will use the document as additional context when generating the tags. ThingLink will create a draft set of text and media tags with suggested text and an image recommendation for each tag. You can generate the recommended images with AI, use the suggestions as inspiration, or add your own media. Review the draft and customize it as needed. You can correct or remove information, add further details, delete tags, or create new ones before finalizing your ThingLink project. If you don't have a background image yet, you can also use Create with AI from the home page to generate a 2D or 360-degree image together with AI-generated tags. Simply enter a prompt and wait for your interactive scene to be generated. If AI features are unavailable, check with your organization's administrator or review your organization's AI settings. You now know how to generate and refine ThingLink tags using AI. If you need help, contact your ThingLink point of contact or our support team at support@thinglink.com.